So it is 7 o'clock in the morning and I'm going to work for the last time. So real quick before I go to work, I just wanted to introduce myself. So for those of you who don't know, my name is Taylor. I am a mechanic at a Ford dealership, at least for the next 10 hours or so. Today is my last day. I quit my job, I put in my 2 weeks notice, and I wanted to explain to you guys how you can do it too. It's really not as hard as you think it might be. As you can read in the title, I'm 24 years old, so how can I quit my full-time job at 24 years old? You know, I still need income. I got a mortgage, I got a truck payment, insurance, phone bill, all that stuff, all the same stuff that you guys have. So how can I quit my job? Well, that's what I'm going to explain to you. There's really only 4 or 5 simple steps that you need to take to be able to quit your job, and I'm going to explain them all. It's not one of those like buy my program and I'll teach you how to make millions. No, that bullcrap doesn't work. Sorry. It's not buy all these products and sell them on eBay. No, it's nothing like that. It's really a lot simpler than that, and anybody can do it. Also, this isn't going to be a 30-minute video explaining every step in detail. It's going to be, you know, maybe a 5 to 10 minute video. It's really all very, very simple stuff, so it doesn't need to be dragged out. So the first thing you're going to want to do is come up with an idea. What can you do to replace your full-time job, replace your full-time income? What can you do that you can still make money and survive off of it? So maybe a service that you enjoy doing that you can charge people to do it for them. Maybe there's a product you know how to make that other people don't. Maybe there's a product that other people make, but you can make it better. Or same with a service. Maybe there's this service is already out there, but you can do it better than other people can. You know, anything like that, just come up with some sort of idea, something that you enjoy to do that can also make you money. And coming up with the idea is honestly the hardest part. Once you have that, really the rest of it's pretty simple. So with that being said, let me explain to you my idea and what I'm gonna be doing now that I don't have a full-time job anymore. I like detailing cars. I'm pretty good at it, I enjoy it. It doesn't feel like work to me, it's just something I enjoy. So why not make it into a business? So I started a business, it's called Razor Sharp Detailing. And I'm going to be doing that full time now instead of being a mechanic at a Ford dealership. So once I came up with the idea, now it's time to do some research. Well, what do other mobile detailers charge in my area? What do I need to be a successful mobile detailer? You know, then there's also the legal side of it. What kind of insurances do I need? You know, how do I pay myself? How do I make sure my business is safe? How do I make sure I'm safe? How do I make sure I protect all my stuff if something bad were to happen? And all that stuff I could make a separate video on, but that's not what this video is about. This video is about just how I did it, how I quit my job at 24 years old. But I will be making videos more detailed about these steps instead of just vaguely listing them like I am now. But anyways, the next step is gonna be, you wanna reduce some debt. So if you're in my shoes, you have debt, you have vehicle payments, you have a mortgage, you have a phone bill, maybe you're paying for your phone monthly, something like that. You want to reduce some debt before you go quitting your job. You can't just up and leave your job, your steady weekly, bi-weekly income for nothing, potentially. Because who knows how your business might start out. It might start out really well, it might start out pretty slow, and you might be struggling for a couple months, maybe even a year. So you want to reduce some debt. So what I did, me and my wife, I have student debt. What we did was save up as much as we could for, I don't know, it took us about a year, I think. We saved up for the amount of my student debt and we just paid it off. So we got rid of one monthly bill, a pretty big monthly bill. It was over $400 a month. We got rid of that monthly bill, so it was easier for me to lose my weekly income when I quit my job. So that way, you know, I start up my business and maybe it doesn't do well the first couple months, but we're okay because we reduced some debt first before I just quit my job. So now that you've done all those steps, the last step is a pretty hard one, but you just need to commit. You need to just go for it face first, be prepared to fail, be ready to lose, but you just gotta do it. You can't be scared to fail. For me personally, I was not happy at my previous job, so I had to figure something out. I did not want to go to another dealership and work for somebody else. It would be the same issues there. I did not want to go find a different job, a different career path. I didn't want to do that. So I decided to become my own boss. I wanted to make my own business. And I think that is really truly the only way you'll ever be happy with your work, is if you're doing what you're passionate about and you're working for yourself. You make your own hours, you really write your own paychecks. You can work as hard as you want or as little as you want, depending on how much money you want to make. It's really all up to you, but you just got to go for it. You have to commit. You have to be prepared. You know, you can't be scared to fail. And it's not always about money. You know, maybe you're making good money at your job, but you're miserable there. Sometimes it's worth it to leave that job to do something that would make you happy. Sometimes it's worth it to, you know, have a little less money every week, but you're happy. It makes a big difference in your life. You know, I know it has in mine, and I'm really looking forward to detailing full time now. So I just want to say thank you guys for watching, and if you made it this far, could you please hit that subscribe button for me? That would help me out a ton. I want to start doing YouTube as well. You know, I want to make some detailing videos. I'm going to be making more videos about this stuff. I'm going to be making videos about how much does it cost to run a business? How much does my business make me every month? Stuff like that. You know, money's pretty interesting and people like to hear about that stuff. So I'm going to make some videos on that. But if you made it this far, please subscribe, and thanks for watching.